Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. And today we are covering the incredible journey of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, the Iron Man of India. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, popularly known as the Iron Man of India, was born on 31st October 1875 in Nadiad, Gujarat. His father, Javeribhai Patel, was a farmer, and his mother, Ladbhai Patel, was a simple and religious woman. Coming from a humble background, young Vallabhai was known for his courage, honesty, and determination from an early age. Patel completed his schooling in Gujarat and later went to London in 1907 to study law. He successfully completed his law degree in a short period and returned to India, where he became a well known and respected lawyer in Ahmedabad. However, his life changed after he met Mahatma Gandhi in 1917. Inspired by Gandhi's ideals of truth and non-violence, Patel left his successful legal career and dedicated himself to India's freedom struggle. Patel first gained national recognition through the Keda Satyagraha in 1918, where he helped farmers who were unable to pay taxes due to famine. Later, in 1928, he led the Bardoli Satyagraha, a peaceful protest against unfair tax increases. His strong leadership and discipline brought success to the movement, and people lovingly gave him the title Sardar, meaning leader. During the Indian freedom movement, Sardar Patel played a key role in several major events such as non-cooperation movement in 1920, the civil disobedience movements in 1930, and the Quit India movement in 1942. He was one of the most trusted associates of Mahatma Gandhi and was admired for his practical approach, organizational skills, and firm decision making. After India gained independence, Patel became the first Deputy Prime Minister and Home Minister of India. His greatest contribution was the integration of 562 princely states into one united nation. Through his firm but fair diplomacy, he successfully convinced most rulers to join India and, in some cases, took bold action to maintain unity. Because of his historic achievement, he is remembered as the architect of United India. Sardar Patel also played a key role in establishing IAS and IPS, believing that a strong civil service was essential to keep the country united and disciplined. He always emphasized national unity, discipline, and self reliance, and believed that India's strength lay in its people working together in harmony. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel passed away on 15th December 1950 in Mumbai. In recognition of his immense service to the nation, he was awarded the Bharat Ratna posthumously in 1991. His birthday, 31st October, is celebrated as National Unity Day, also known as Rashtriya Ekta Divas across India. The Statue of Unity, built in Gujarat in 2018, stands 182 meters tall, the tallest statue in the world, as a tribute to his legacy. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel will always be remembered as a symbol of unity, courage, and leadership. He not only helped India gain independence but also ensured that it remained united as one strong nation. Truly, Sardar Patel was the Iron Man who built the foundation of modern India.